Welcome to my channel, Simply Sweet Pea, and today's an exciting day if you're a Selena fan like I am. This is MAC's second line with Selena, and it comes celebrating her life and legacy after the tragic loss of her 25 years ago. Okay, so I'm really excited because when they announced that they were going to do another collection, of course, I was like, I have to get it because huge Selena fan. So then they announced that they were going to do a collector's box, and then it was something that was only available on Instagram, and this came out on April the 6th. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing you see when you open the box is this beautiful makeup bag. It has like her iconic bustier and like the little sequins or holographic. And the little zipper pull says MACxSelena on it. It's the cutest little thing. I can't wait to put all my Selena makeup in my Selena bag. Okay, so after the bag comes out, there's this beautiful silver envelope. So you open it up and all the makeup's inside. And so there are quite a number of items in this collection. I think we should start with the lipstick, since I feel like Selena's lipstick is so iconic. That's what I want to start with by looking at. So there are 4 lipsticks in the collection. There are 4 like bullet lipsticks, and there are 3 liquid lipsticks. Let me get them all out. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. Okay, so first, the packaging. The packaging of the lipsticks and the eyeshadow palette, it's all like a silver holographic. It has the nice rose on it. It all says MACxSelena. The name of the item is on the end. So let's open it up and see what the first item looks like. Ooh. What color did I pick up? I'm not sure how to say this. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that the prettiest? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so when you open the tube, you scroll it up. It has like the most beautiful rose imprinted on the little lipsticks. Isn't that so cute? I'm so excited. I'll insert the name because I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. It is described as a pinky peach with pearl. It is a frost lipstick. It's beautiful. So the next color is described as a light pinky nude. And this one is a cream sheen lipstick. Trying to be really careful and not tear the packaging. I think I'm gonna keep all of this stuff because I'm just so in love with everything Selena, and I don't want to ruin any of it. It's really pretty. Also has the same pretty rose imprint on the lipstick. Next is Selena's iconic red Queen of Cumbia. This is a matte lipstick. It's a beautiful red. It is described as a metallic true red. And last in the lipsticks is an amplified cream lipstick. And this color is described as just brown. So all of these lipsticks, there's so much variety. There's like everyday colors, more bold colors. This one is supposed to have more of a frosty sheen, so I feel like that can be very playful, date night. So later on in the video, we're gonna insert some swatches so we can see what all of the colors look like on skin, not just in the tubes. So next in the box are the retro matte liquid lipsticks. There are 3 of those as well. So the first one is a vivid blue red. I feel like this is a very classic Selena color. I could totally see Selena wearing this one. The next one is Big Bertha, and it is classified as a dirty rose. I love that they're doing some of the names like that are similar to things you hear in the movie, like the name of her bus, Big Bertha, and stuff like that. So the next one, or the last retro liquid lipstick, is a raspberry pink. I feel like I could totally see Selena wearing this as like a daytime, like shopping, living her best life kind of color. So the next items in the box are the lip glasses. There are 3 of them. First color is Bitty Bitty Bum Bum, one of my favorite Selena songs, and this is a lip glass they had in the first Selena collection. Unfortunately, I did not get anything in that collection. If you did, let me know what you liked in the comments down below. It is classified as a bubblegum pink with silver pearl. Moving on. The next color is Hey Dad, Pizza. And it is a gold brown with multicolored pearl. I feel like this is going to be one of my favorite glosses. I feel like it'd be really pretty with one of the lip pencils and just the gloss over it. I think that'd be really pretty, like natural kind of thing. And the last one is the washing machine. It is a white with pink pearl. Growing up watching the Selena movie, I used to walk around doing the washing machine, singing Selena songs like I was Selena. That's when I first fell in love with her. Couldn't have been more than a couple years old at the time because the movie came out in the 90s. So, and then the older I got, then I started like discovering a lot of Selena's other songs, like a lot of her English songs that you really don't hear very much. But there's also a bunch of like her Spanish songs that I had never heard, like Besitos. Probably not saying it right, but I love it. I love walking around singing it like I'm Selena. She's so sassy and iconic. Let me know what your favorite Selena songs are down below in the comments. So next in the collection are the lip pencils. The first one is Selenaville, and it's classified as a scarlet red. Very pretty, very classic Selena, I think. And the next one is named after one of her albums. It's described as a brownish nude. This lip pencil, I think, would be really pretty up underneath one of the glosses. Like I mentioned before, maybe the Hey Dad Pizza. Just like this pencil and Hey Dad Pizza over top. That'd be a really pretty kind of everyday look. The next item in the box is a skin finish. It is described as a rich gold on pearl. So the carton, it's got Selena's beautiful bustier. It's kind of raised. It has like a nice feel to it, like very nice texture, and it's really pretty too. So like if you don't want to use it, it would just look really pretty on your vanity. And these are also holographic, so you can put it through the light. It's really pretty. When you open it, there's a beautiful picture of Selena and her beautiful bustier. You lift it up, and oh, it's so pretty in a rose. Beautiful gold color. This is something I could totally picture Selena having on her cheeks, all over her face. Very beautiful. And the last item in the box is an eyeshadow palette. It retails for $35. It has 8 beautiful shades. It also has the same kind of carton, but you get more of the full bustier on this one. You open it, nice picture of Selena again. Then it Has some beautiful colors. There, it looks like there's some mattes and some shimmers. Just beautiful glittery ones. I'm really excited about that one and that one. They just look like it'd be really pretty all over the lid. Okay. Now I'm going to go through and tell you what I thought some of my favorite items of the collection were. The eyeshadow palette, I'm really excited to use it, see what kind of textures. I really like the skin finish. I love a nice little gold highlight. It was really pretty. I loved all 4 of the lipsticks. They all look really nice. You get such a good variety. You get the classic Selena you would get like every day. You get kind of like a date night color. I really like all of these. I'm really excited to try them. And I really like both of the lip pencils. I really feel like, you know, you can use the brown one, you know, under gloss, and then the red one to go with both of the classic red lipsticks in the collection. And my next 2 things is my favorite gloss would probably be Hey Dad Pizza. I really like the gold glittery one in that. And my favorite liquid lip would be Siempre Selena. The matte red lipstick. It just screams Selena to me, so I'm really excited about this one. I think this is my favorite. All of this stuff will be coming back on MACxSelenaCollector'sVault on April 21st. I'm not really sure if they've released a time yet, but if you follow them on Instagram, I'm sure they'll let you know. You can even sign up for their notifications, and they'll like send you a text or an email letting you know when the collection's coming back. Oh, and the bag. I love the bag. I can't believe I forgot that. I love it. So thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. I hope you're as excited about this Selena collection as I am. Let me know if you got anything from the pre-order, if you got the box, if you plan on getting anything. Let me know what your favorite items were in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day, and I'm sending you all my huggies.